A tiny beetle is cornered by a hungry ant. No shell, no speed, nowhere to run. Then, a loud pop, a puff of smoke, and the attacker recoils, scalded. This beetle just fired a boiling, toxic blast from its own body, and somehow it didn't hurt itself. This is the bombardier beetle. When threatened, it points the tip of its abdomen at the enemy and sprays a jet that hits nearly 100 degrees Celsius, the temperature of boiling water, loaded with burning toxic chemicals. So, how does a soft little insect carry a boiling weapon inside its body without cooking itself alive? The trick is that it never stores the weapon ready to fire. It keeps it as two harmless halves. In one chamber, it holds the fuel, hydrogen peroxide, and a chemical called hydroquinone, sitting quietly side by side. On their own, they do nothing. They're perfectly safe. Only when it's attacked does the beetle squeeze that fuel into a second, armored chamber, where a set of enzymes is waiting. The instant they meet, the enzymes trigger a violent reaction. The mixture heats explosively to boiling, turns into a cloud of caustic chemicals, and fires out with a sharp bang. And here is the clever part. It doesn't come out as one steady stream. It's fired like a machine gun. Hundreds of tiny explosions every second. Each microblast fires, the chamber refills, and it fires again. That flickering rhythm lets the heat escape in quick bursts instead of building up, so the beetle's own body never overheats. Achillean tentista oprichte dispectimbati. It can even aim. The tip swivels like a turret, and some species use a tiny built-in deflector to spray in almost any direction, even forward, back over their own shell, right at whatever is biting them. For a predator, it's brutal. Ants are scalded and flee, and if a toad swallows one whole, the beetle simply fires inside its stomach until the toad is forced to vomit it back up. In one study, the beetles crawled out alive, even after 90 minutes inside. So why do engineers study this beetle? Because it mastered something we find hard: firing a precise, repeatable, pulsed spray of hot fluid. Its design has inspired better fuel injectors, fire extinguishers, and fine mists for delivering medicine. Now, the honest part, there is no flame here and no fire. It's a fast chemical reaction, not burning. The beetle survives because it keeps the two halves apart until the very last instant and fires in pulses that shed the heat. It's the size of your fingernail, with no armor and no bite, yet it carries a loaded, self-cooling chemical cannon, and it has been firing it flawlessly for millions of years.